Hey, it's Michelle with Exclusive Travel Partners, and I'm at beaches Turks and Caicos. I wanted to share our room, and this time we are in the French Village. We're staying in a 2-bedroom concierge suite. It's the F2. So let's walk through and I'll tell you a little more about it. The setup here is 2 bedrooms with a living room in the middle. Each room has their own bathroom, and in each bathroom are 2 sinks, which is really nice. And each room has a separate entrance. This first room has a king bed, and then you have 2 twin beds with the day bed and the trundle underneath. Your mini bar, a little detail I love, the taller bed, so it's great to be able to put your luggage under there for storage and get them out of the way. Walking into the living area, you're going to have a table for 4, another mini bar. You have a twin trundle, so twin on top, pull it out to a twin underneath, and then you have a chair that pulls out. There's your separate entrance and another bathroom. I feel like many complaints about the French Village might come from not knowing what to expect. One thing to expect is the rooms here are older and have more dated decor. Knowing this coming in, I will say I was pleasantly surprised. The rooms were larger than I expected, and yes, while a little older, they were clean. And the other villages have some fabulous rooms. Some of those with really modern and updated decor, but not all of those offer ideal sleeping arrangements for 4 or 5 adults in your travel party. We had a group of 11, including 4 adults and 2 older teens, and this room was really the best fit for us as far as our bedding preference. The French Village is one of the more affordable options here, so that's great. We loved our walkout. We had a small patio, easy access to the pool, the kids running back and forth. Take note of the 2nd and 3rd floor. There are not full balconies. So if that's important to you, that's something we want to consider when we're choosing a room. Great dining options nearby. You have Giuseppe's, Cafe de Paris, which we stopped multiple times a day for snacks and coffee. The main stage for your nighttime shows. I've heard complaints about noise and bedtime, but I will say we did not have an issue. We had a white noise app and wasn't a bother for us. And the French Village pool was great. It was large. It has a shallow area for the little ones. It's heated. You have your swim up bar. It was just so much fun. The villages here are different, but also great in their own way. Which village at Beaches Turks and Caicos is the best fit for your family? Well, you're gonna have to contact me and I can help with that. And guess what? My planning service is totally free, no additional cost to you.